Hi, you guys. My name is Jennifer Combs. I am the lead instructor here for the Criminal Justice Department, and I wanted to give you guys a little quick tutorial of Blackboard and some of the things that you're going to be doing in this class. First off, when you click on your Blackboard and you get logged in, this is the screen that you're going to see, and you will click on your CRJU 1010 Introduction to Criminal Justice class. Once you're in there, there's different things you can see on here, your announcements, assessments, other new contact, anything that you need to be doing will be right here. But, and mine will look a little bit different as an instructor than yours will. I may have some additional tabs. But if you look over here on this left-hand side, you will click on your Lessons tab. Some instructors will use the Start Here, some will have a syllabus link, but everything will also always be included in your Lessons tab. So if you click on your Lessons tab, you can see here you have your course syllabus. When you click on that, the syllabus for your class with the instructor that you have will pull up there. And then you have your no-show assignment here. If this is the first class that you're taking at Chattahoochee, you will need to complete this no-show, and you'll have to do that for every class that you ever take here at Chattahoochee. It's usually 2 or 3 questions, maybe about the syllabus, something easy, and that's just telling us that you plan on completing this course, whether it's online or a hybrid course or a face-to-face course, letting us know that, okay, you're going to complete your online portion. So make sure that you do that right away. Your instructor will have written in the syllabus when they want you to complete that by. And then here is an advisement module. And if you click on this, it will bring up an EMAP for criminal justice. Most of you have met with one of the full-time instructors, which is myself, Mr. Armstrong, and Mr. Cass. But if you didn't have the opportunity, or even if you did and you just want to, kind of become familiar again, you click on that and then it'll pull up the EMAP right here. And this just kind of gives you an indication of the things that you need to be doing. The classes you take, kind of the order that you're going to take them in. So you can look at that if you, like I said, if you don't already have one. And then let's go back to the Lessons tab. So the way that it's set up here is by weeks. So you want to click in each week. Let's just go to week 2. And then your instructor will have links here for you that will take you to either a reading, the visual summary is kind of an overview, and each instructor will post different links that they want you to go to. But usually the reading is always one, and these will match up with what your syllabus says. And then right here you see video case. This is just one of the assignments that I like to do in my classes, and some of the instructors do these assignments as well. And when you click on it, and again, mine's going to look a little different, but this takes you to the book that we will be using in this class. And this is different content for the publisher. So if you click on this assignment, and again, mine's going to look a little different, but the first time that you guys click on it, it will allow you to purchase the link to the book. And so you'll be able to, do that. You can purchase it here. You can also purchase the access code that you'll need that you'll enter here at any of the Chattahoochee bookstores. But once you have that, you have your email set up and everything set up for Cengage MindTap. When you click, all that's done. When you click on the video link, this is what will come up. And you play the video, you let it play to the end, and then you'll be able to scroll down and answer questions about it, and then you submit those. The submit answer button is behind my screen. So that's just kind of an overview of MindTap. If you have any questions, please reach out to myself or whoever your instructor is. Any of us here are super willing to help you. I know it can be a little overwhelming. You will learn a lot in this class about a lot of different topics in the criminal justice system, but it's a great course. You're going to love it. And like I said, please reach out to us if you need anything or have any questions, but that should kind of give you a little familiarity, and it's a good overview of what you'll be doing in here. Thanks. Bye.